Hi everybody. Okay, so I've arrived in Century City and I'm going to walk you through the neighborhood. It's about a 20-minute walk to get to the Canal Walk shopping center, and then we'll see what the hype's all about. So yeah, let's get walking. It's a rainy day, it's misty, it's not good weather, but that's never put me off before. Come rain or shine, we're gonna walk it. Let's go. Because I've never been here, so I just need to make sure that it's gonna, the sound is on. Yeah, it's on. Okay. All right. Oh, look at this, very nice. Interesting. There's like a whole thing about Century City. I'm going to read it for you. Okay, so embracing the principles of new urbanism. Century City is a 250-hectare mixed-use development in Cape Town, combining office, retail, residential, and leisure components in an integrated, stimulating, and aesthetically pleasing urban environment. Again, they've got a whole, oh yes, Canal Walk, this is where I'm going. Oh, look, there's like a whole park here. And this is the public transport. Okay, so I'm walking this way. Nice! Impressive. Oh, I love this art. Oh wait, I want to show you these. Okay, so in Afrikaans we call these vuurpyle, okay, meaning rockets. So they bloom in the winter months, and they're really beautiful. Look at this, it's gorgeous, right? Oh, I should just get a short video of this. Hang on. Yep. Okay, let's make a short quickly. Very beautiful. Oh yeah, and I wanted to get a picture of these. You see this type of art everywhere. I wonder if it's like a specific artist doing this, or because you see it in Woodbridge Island. It's quite common. Very cool. Epic. If you love art, come to Cape Town. Where I am actually. So it keeps on going to Dink a dink a ding. Okay, so yeah, we're just going in that direction, I think. Yeah.
You got the camera on?
I do.
That's good.
I have to be honest, I'm very impressed. If you Google Century City, it's telling you that it's like this industrial neighborhood. This is not industrial at all. This is so cool. I want to check out what's there. I should go down here, but I'm first going to check that out. These awesome pictures. Oh wow, this is epic. Oh, they've taken it from exactly the same spots. That's very cool. This is Canal Walk right here. Some sort of railway system here. Must be like one of those shopping mall thingies. Isn't this just gorgeous? Huh? Wow, this is incredible. In Orlando, there's this theme park. It's SeaWorld. And it's got a place called Atlantis there. And it looks exactly like that. This is very cool. Okay. Let's get the camera on my head and let's go.
Ja, iets positiefs is dat zijn. En dan word ik ook kijken later. Verstaan je? Verstaan je wat ik zeg? Mami wil die dokter toe gaan niet. Zij wil niet gaan niet, Jenny. Kijk, zij wil niet gaan niet. Maar je vraagt de verkeer. En dan wordt het wel.
And if you're wondering what Canal Walk looks like on the inside, keep your eyes on the channel. It will be in the next video. Alright everybody, keep on watching.
I think we need to update our P4. Kalau bapak lah, weh.
Relatives. Really beautiful, right? Yeah. So the bus stop's over there. I just want to walk into the neighborhood a bit. Not sure we can call it a neighborhood. It's more like a business district. Just see what everything looks like while I'm here. I love this. This is so X-Men, right? Okay, so there's another bus stop. like these patterns, right? Very cool. It's such a beautiful place. I never knew about this, like ever. I want to make my thank you for 2,000 subscribers here by these, but I'm going to have to do it with my cell phone because I want the GoPro to be in the video. Let's do it quickly. Okay, well, so that's a little bit of Century City, and yeah, I am so impressed with this place. Wow, it's very unexpected. I didn't, you know, honestly, when you Google it, it gives you a whole different picture of what you're walking into. So don't always believe Google. Anyways, in the next video, everybody, I'm going to walk you through Canal Walk. We're going to see what it's all about. So yeah, keep on watching, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye, everybody.